Just as keyboards have become a top choice among typists and gamers for their precision, durability, and smooth experience, clothes steamers are now an essential tool for people who want a fast, efficient, and gentle way to remove wrinkles. This guide reviews 5 of the best clothes steamers, evaluating steam output. List 1. Sundew 1500W Steamer for Clothes. 2-in-1 vertical and flat iron clothes steamer. 6 professional steam modes. 800 milliliter tank. The Sundew 1500W clothes steamer is perfect for heavy-duty steaming at home. Its powerful 1500W motor and 6 steam modes allow you to tailor the steam output to different fabrics, from delicate silks to thick curtains. The massive 800 milliliter water tank offers up to 60 minutes of continuous steaming, while the 2-in-1 design lets you use it both vertically and horizontally, doubling as an iron. List 2. G10 steamer for clothes, travel steamer and portable iron. Handheld garment steamer, 0.9 pounds. If you travel often or need a steamer you can toss in your carry-on, the G10 is your go-to. Weighing less than a pound, this ultralight handheld steamer is compact yet surprisingly effective. Despite its small size, it heats up quickly and removes wrinkles from shirts, dresses, and even thicker garments efficiently. It also doubles as a portable iron, making it versatile for quick touch-ups on the go. If portability and convenience are your priorities, the G10 shines. List 3. Steamer for clothes. Portable handheld garment steamer for fabric wrinkles remover. 15's fast heat up. This portable handheld steamer stands out for its super fast 15-second heat up time. Perfect for those rushed mornings when you need to look polished in minutes. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it works well for all fabric types, effectively smoothing wrinkles without risk of scorching. Its ergonomic design and consistent steam output make it an excellent choice for everyday use. Compact yet powerful. List number. Steamer for clothes. Sundew portable 2-in-1 steamer and iron. 15's heat up. 100 milliliter tank. Ironing gloves. Another versatile choice from Sundew. This portable 2-in-1 steamer and iron packs functionality into a small package. With a quick 15-second heat-up time and a 100 milliliter tank, it's designed for light, fast steaming. It comes with an ironing glove for added safety and control, making it great for delicate fabrics. Its compact size and dual use make it ideal for apartments, dorms, and travel. For those who want flexibility in a lightweight unit, this is a smart pick. List number 5. High Life Steamer for Clothes. Handheld clothes steamer with large 300 milliliter tank. 1100 watts strong power for a balance of power and portability. The High Life handheld steamer delivers. Its 1100 watt motor produces strong steam to tackle stubborn wrinkles, while the 300 milliliter water tank provides about 15 minutes of continuous steaming. More than enough for a few outfits. The ergonomic handle and long power cord add to its user-friendly design. Ideal for everyday home use, this steamer is affordable, reliable, and perfect for anyone who wants to keep their wardrobe looking fresh and professional.